Take off the battery case cover screw. Take out the battery box. Take off the reader. Install the mortise. Don't press the cable. Install the mortise. Don't press the cable. Install cylinder. The cylinder should point to the upper side. Fix the cylinder with screw. Make sure the cylinder cannot be disengaged. Connect the reader and cable. Fix the reader with screw. And then install the reader cover. Put in the battery. Place the handle square bar in the middle of the door. Notice the door thickness if is suitable. Fix the handle square bar and make sure cannot be disengaged. Install front handle. Install back handle and turn piece. Insert the turn piece square bar. Fix the handle with screws. Insert rubber. Test mechanical key open. Test reading card. Turn the turn piece to test the deadbolt. To simulate the door being closed, hold the latch in and do not let it retract. Then turn the deadbolt knob to throw or extend the deadbolt. Installation finished.